Hi, come with me as we fill the rest of those lotions up like I was telling y'all the last time. And make new lotions. I know I'm supposed to be using my back camera, but we're going to use the front camera. We're just going to use it today. But make another set of new lotions. I'm tearing this gum up too. And as well as track down more of our machines, or if it's not a machine, if it's something that does with typing electrically, like, oh, I can't talk right there. Hello. If it involves me, like, want to type and all stuff, mean like a laptop or whatever, right down there. Okay. So, yeah, that's what I'll be doing. I'll be back with y'all. All right, we're back. So, I managed to get both filled. So, this one is filled for these left over. I'm going to fill some of them left over. And then this is for the new ones. This is for the new batch, hopefully. So, let me get the let me get that all the way over here. I might need to move this. Come on, y'all. Let me move this a little bit over here. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Like so, because we're going to be on this. I don't have everything. Realize that. Where's my big tablespoons at? I'm going by off my formula sheet too. So I need 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon. All right. So I got the right one. Okay. All right. There we go. All right. Now that I got my stuff, let's get to it. So I need avocado oil, vitamin E, this oil. Okay. I'll be right back, y'all. I forgot, as soon as you whip some lotion, you start up having more. So I have more of our My Love. I'm still trying to come up with a name for it to not give away. It's actually the love spell from Victoria's Secret. Those who you know. Trying to get that, try not to get that off, but it's kind of hitting there. So just going around filling up empty holes, making them full. See, I'm getting them all over it. Because when you have a formula, you can legit restock that formula up. So see how I was able to restock them up? I'm looking if I can go get more of them bottles and restock them up, because I have a lot and I only needed a little, as y'all can see, and they're really two-toned, which is really cute. So let me go get more of those. Let's see, because they're really cute. I'm still gonna need more bottles. And the reason why I have them on the towel, y'all, is it's more of a sanitary thing. Like, I'm actually doing it on the floor. Since I don't have a table, it actually filled these up. So they're filled. They're filled. Y'all gonna have a filled lotion. I tell you. They're filled all right. But I still need fuck it, bruh. Oh, my bad, YouTube. My bad for the cussing. But I'm gonna need more, because look, I have a lot of this left. And let's fill it. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to change the towel. Cause look, a big ass mess I done did. Trying to fill this up. And it done cost me to That's mine. It done caused me to make a mess. So I use 2 from here. I'm gonna have to put 1 bead for my next one I'm doing. So I'll be back, y'all, when we make the new ones. All right, for this batch, we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, okay, and 1 tablespoon of quinoa oil, nut oil, something like that, y'all. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do a little bit last round of that oil. Okay. And we're just gonna put our oils back. I don't need them no more. I'll fix the oils later. I'm gonna double back around and do that. Okay. All right. All right, and then we're gonna give this a good mix. So I do have to put that 201, since I used it for the other oils I had to refill, but they look so pretty. They look so pretty. I love this. I even have a sample one, which y'all see right there. That's like a little sample. I'm gonna try the sample to see how well I like what ratios I put in there, and if I don't, I'm gonna come up with new ratios, which is all part of a formula sheet. Alright, looks like we have our oil very good in here. Looks like we have our oil very good in here. Very mixed, well in there. Y'all know I'll be back when we pipe them, because I'm just going to add the, well, I could do it. I can do it. I'm just gonna get everything mixed in here like it should. Well mixed in here. I used my little one for the other one, which is why I can't bring it to this one. I gotta keep in mind, I got to keep this for the body oils and the perfume oils. It's supposed to be a collection. Where we at? Okay. We still have some in there. I'm gonna do a little mixing, and then I'm gonna mix it on in there. right, we're back. We're about to begin piping them. Oh, I got the big ones this time. Oh my, okay. I said the big better, huh? I said the big better, huh? Ooh. It's not like I won't use the same one. I think I can use the same one. It's just it's not gonna hold well in there while I'm piping it back up. See, place a product on the fucking floor. And here's our finishing bottles. Y'all, they came out so pretty. They smell so good. And stay tuned for Mother's Day. So that's the end of the video. If y'all like what y'all seen, which is I know y'all will, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video. Bye.